Alright, what's up? Ruska here, and finally getting around to unboxing my Haro Basic Green. I'm going to be building a custom Haro for ZakuAurelius' custom Haropla contest. So I thought I'd go ahead and do an unboxing of this and kind of take y'all through my process. So this is the number one in this line. I assume there's going to be a lot of these. See, it's even got some inner frame. I'm going to probably try and make use of that. Sorry, got various colors coming out. Excuse me. 500 yen retail price. And some more artwork on it. Nothing on the bottom. And I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of open this now so y'all can kind of see this. It's one bag of stuff. And, ooh, excuse me. So, kind of walking all through this here. So, we got the A2 runner, which is the basic part of Haro, hands, and that red part of his inner frame and eyes. Then, the next part, which mine got a little detached here, but it just fit right back into place. Got more of the inner parts, the red covers in his leg, and it comes with a little stand and the little attachments for his arms and feet. But yeah, and then a little bit of polycaps. Not bad. The instructions are going to be very, very simple. Just kind of an overview of the Haro and all of its parts. Oops. Simple build. But it's simpler than this instructions show. Bandai included another feature that not really many reviewers have kind of looked into. Let me show you. But yeah, just a little bit of shaking, and as you see, yeah, nice. I even got it on the stand. That's a little harder to do, but yeah. So, this little guy is pretty cool. I'll probably be picking up a couple more of these and just to kind of do some basic painting on. But these are going to be fun to custom. They're real cheap. Going to be able to practice a lot of techniques on. Give you a good bit of plastic surface to work with. Has a stand. It does a little puzzle piece like the Pucci guys do. So, yeah. So, I'm going to kind of brainstorm a little bit on how I'm going to approach this, and I will film the next parts of me starting the process. See you guys soon.